I have been styling since 5 years, guys. I'm telling you, I have been styling my head since 5 years, and I do these things. That is why my hair is healthier. Okay, so I really suggest you to do this. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about why my blow dried hair is not staying for a really long time. Exactly. We're going to talk about that situation here because you guys have been asking me that question since a really long time, and I thought I have to do this. But the main reason I'm doing this video is because when I styled someone's hair, it turned into its original state just after half an hour, and then I realized, oh my god, you guys have been telling me this only since a long period of time. What I was thinking is, this is not true. How can it be true? Because my hair is not like that. How my followers hair is becoming like that? Maybe they are not styling it properly, or maybe they are not using the right products. I was thinking like that, but I am so wrong. When I saw it with my own eyes, I was literally shocked, and I thought, oh my god, I have to know why this is happening. And this happens because of your hair porosity. I never thought hair porosity, knowing your hair porosity is important, but now it is so important. Hair porosity is literally everything, guys. Literally. I know I'm shouting, but I'm seriously in a shock. When I knew about all of this, I was literally like, oh my god, I have to share this with my audience because it will be like a lifesaver for them, because everybody want that beautiful hair. Just I know that feeling, because I was always like, I can never have that hair. I already told in my previous videos, but guess what, it can happen, and now it will happen, guys, because I'm going to tell you how to fix it. So yeah, let's start. So let's know about what is porosity. Porosity is simply how your hair is holding up the moisture and how your hair is absorbing the moisture. Now this is divided into three types, and they are low porosity, normal or medium porosity, and high porosity, and these are the hair cuticles. In low porosity, it will be hard for the products, for the moisture to get in, but once it is in, it will seal it. This is low porosity. And how to test it? If your clean hair strand in clean water is floating up, it is low porosity. And coming to the styling hold in low porosity, even though you apply the conditioner, even though you apply the leave-in mask, leave-in creams, it will not penetrate easily inside. So what happens is, products will just sit on the top of your hair instead of absorbing. So whenever you apply any heat or steam to your hair while styling, it will lock all the moisture in your hair. Hence, the blow dry stays for a longer period of time. Coming to normal and medium porosity. In this porosity, your styling will be holding nicely, and the products you use will be penetrated, and the moisture will be good. Everything will be good. Cuticles are healthy, everything is good. And this is how you test your medium porosity. If your hair strand is in the middle of the water, your hair is medium porosity. High porosity. If your hair strand is at the bottom of the water, your hair is high porosity. And in high porosity, products and humidity, the moisture easily gets in. It is like a sponge, okay, where sponge will soak up the water very easily, and it also dries very easily. This is what happening with you guys. When you style your hair, it is good, everything is nice, but once you go out, the humidity gets in and everything is back to normal. So now the question is, can you change your porosity? Well, yes, you can, but not completely. By using the right products, you can make your hair cuticles more softer. You can strengthen them. From this picture, you can easily understand that in low porosity, the cuticles are flat. Hence, the moisture is hard to get in, but you can make it happen when you use heat and steam. In medium porosity, the cuticles are a bit loose, which will help in keeping the moisture and absorbing it well. Hence, the styling stays for a longer period of time. And in high porosity, the cuticles are highly loose, like a sponge. Hence, when the humidity gets in, your styling is back to normal. Main problem is with high porosity. So what you guys do is, you have to use a protein mask. The products that has to be used, I'm telling you right now. So you have to use a protein mask at least once in a week. I use Lador. You can also try that. I only use that product, that's why I'm telling you that. You can reduce the frequency as your hair is becoming healthier, because do not overload protein also, that is also not good. After using the protein mask, you can seal everything with a conditioner, because that is what conditioner do. Use leave-in creams and leave-in mask. And how to use it, I'll tell you. Whenever you use any leave-in creams or leave-in mask, be sure your hair is dampened, your hair is a little wet. When your hair is wet, it will absorb the product well. And for more absorption, you can use bonnets. Okay, you can use, I personally do that. On scalp I only use oil, but on the lens I mix oil and conditioner and then I apply it. So you can do that also. What this protein mask will do to your cuticles is it will strengthen your cuticles. What this leave-in creams and leave-in mask will do to your hair is it will smoothen the cuticle. Okay, hence less frizz. So the products that I recommend you is use Lador one, or if you don't know any products, use Lador protein mask. It has protein in it. And for leave-in creams and serums, you can research your own things, but I also have suggested you so many times. You can use Flix leave-in mask or Dove leave-in cream. You can use these, or you can use so many other brands that are there. And guys, I wanted to tell you my hair type is low porosity, and I really want high porosity people to just follow this because it will really help. You can screenshot this and you can follow this also. And apply oil at ends every day. Which kind of oil? You can use L'Oreal Extraordinary Serum Oil. These kind of oils you can use it daily, so that humidity doesn't penetrate so easily. So this will help you in keeping your styling for a longer period of time. And I am sure you might be having a question, how long should we do this to see the results? I really think that you should at least wait 2-3 months for the results. So at least 15 washes should be done, guys, to see the proper results. When you do this routine consistently, your hair will become healthier. When your hair is healthier, it will become more manageable and it will be less frizzy. I'm not telling you guys, you can use one product. This is the spray, you have to use it and your styling will be good. I don't want you to have temporary results. Okay, I'm seeing a long term result here, and I want you guys to be really consistent with this, and then your styling will stay put. And in my next video, I will be telling you guys which styling tool will cause less damage and which styling tool will cause more damage. I will give all that information. I will also tell you for high porosity which hairspray you should use, for low porosity which hairspray you should use. Normal porosity people are the lucky people, they can use any sprays because their hair will keep that sealed in. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I will be coming up with the next video also soon. So this is what you need to do. I hope this video was helpful, and I'm telling you, you can have that perfect hair that you dream of. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.